Yes, so this is what I was dealing with.
Mm-hmm.
And then I went to a darker color so I could use the powders and sprays to cover up the holes and the thinness.
Mm-hmm.
And this has just been life-changing.
Wow. Are you still using the powders
Nope.
and sprays? Not
I
at
threw
all.
all the powders and the spray and the cover-ups all gone. It's just so natural and real.
Yeah. And if you can see, I mean, compared to those pictures where you're at today, it's a night and day difference. It truly is.
It's even
And
wet
it's,
right now,
yeah,
so it
it's
should
wet
show
right
even
now. We'll definitely have to have you come in when it's dry. But tell me, how has your routine changed, like your day to day?
So what I'd have to do is get up, I'd have to go, shower, get ready, take an extra at least 20 to 30 minutes in the bathroom to cover the holes. And in the back was really bad because I have 2 colics.
Mm-hmm.
And obviously I can't see that, so I had a mirror back here using the sprays so I can get up and go. I just go in and put a little water in my hair and it's
done.
Yeah.
I mean, even getting like now you can go like in the summer in the pool.
Swimming pool. With
Yeah.
my grandkids. I can jump in, not worry about it.
That's
Yeah.
so
It's wet
awesome.
right now.
You really get to enjoy it to its fullest. Well,
Absolutely.
you look amazing.
People look at me now. They don't look at my hairline.
Wow.
That's huge.
That's powerful.
Did anyone notice, or did anyone
Oh,
say?
everybody's noticing.
Yeah.
Everybody's noticing.
What did I say?
What's going on? You look different. They can't pinpoint it.
Uh-huh. They
So,
just know that
yeah.
you're glowing.
Yeah.
It's truly, you feel your presence when you walk in, like your presence is so much happier and you just seem,
Well, the confidence that you get is amazing.
yeah. Yay. We're so thrilled for you. So excited. Can't wait to keep along your journey and get you back in again.
Thank you.
Thank you.